Now let's check out one tool of our tool list. In this case, standard shrink fit chuck Haimer Power Series. How to get the information to the tool management guy? We simply use one of the many reports that WINTOOL has in standard. In this case, the tool sheet. All information is ready, but how to get this information directly into the tool management room? It's very easy using the WINTOOL app on our tablet. This is all the same information of the tool assemblies inside, and by finding the correct one, just scanning the ident number. And we see same tool sheet, all the same information. And now let's go and change the tool on the shrink fit machine. We are using the Haimer PowerCamp Premium i4.0 with the height gauge because we know it's 140 millimeters. We're gonna adjust the height gauge to 140 millimeters plus the correction allowance. Now we move to our assembly station, and also on the tool sheet we can find the information about the components. Scan the QR code and then move down to the holder and heat up. Put in the tool into the holder with safe lock. Go back to the height gauge until the holder grips the tool, and when it's fastened we can move our holder to the correct pulling position. All information ready with the WINTOOL app.